Hello friends, continuing with our series on Sun in Gemini Ascendant. Today we will talk about what happens when Sun is placed in the 7th house of Gemini Ascendant. So as you are aware, to check the results of any planet, we must first see where the planet is placed. So we'll see the results of Sun when it is placed in the 7th house, and thereafter the lordship of the planet. Sun in this case is lord of the 3rd house, where number 5 sign of Leo is written, and so we'll see what results will Sun give as the lord of the 3rd house. Thereafter we will see what will happen when Sun is placed in the 7th house in the sign number 9, which is Sagittarius. Sun is in the nakshatra of Ketu, Venus, or Sun itself. Sun can be in any of these 3 nakshatras. So we will see the results of those 3 nakshatras also one by one. In addition, Sun has a natural significations like it gives us heat, it gives us light, it signifies the king or the government, and it signifies our father. So we will see the results as per the natural significations also. And in the end, we will take a look at remedies, upayas or precautions which must be followed so as to get best results from Sun if we are a Gemini Ascendant horoscope. Looking at the placement of the Sun first, when Sun is in the 7th house. The 7th house indicates our marriage, our husband or wife, our business partner. So the results of Sun will be that during this period, the person may get married, and the wife or the husband of the person may have a personality like the Sun, as Sun is placed in this house, and there may be a mix of Jupiter, as number 9 Sagittarius is the sign of Jupiter. So we'll see that the wife or husband of the person may be very fair looking, may have a very magnetic personality to which everyone will get attracted. The wife or the husband may be from a very rich background. They may want to keep their house very well decorated, and so that everyone can praise how well they maintain their house. In case there is a malefic influence on Sun, this self-respect and ego is going to turn into a very unnecessarily high ego. In that case, there may be ego tussles between the husband and wife and disagreements because of that. Regarding the person's business partner, we will find that the partner also may have similar characteristics to that of his wife or husband. Purely regarding the business only, as we have discussed, the person may begin a new business during this period. The business that the person begins may be connected to communications like printing press, radio, television, internet, and all these kind of things, and the business may also be connected to government. Overall, if in this horoscope during the Dashantar Dasha, when the Sun is connected to Mars, we will find the person will do very well in business. Regarding the lordship of 3rd house of the Sun, the 3rd house indicates communications, short travels. So during this period, the person will involve in communication activities such as radio, television, printing press, newspapers, telegram, post office, etc. And since Sun represents government, the activities may be connected to government. Also, the person will involve in a number of short travels during this period, and he may have to travel almost every day in the same locality from where he comes back home on the same day, like going every day traveling on scooter, rickshaw, motorcycle, auto, taxi. These kind of short travels the person may be involved with. In addition, the 3rd house also represents our younger brothers and sisters. So we'll find that during this period, the younger brother or sister of the person may fall into a love affair, or the younger brother or sister of the person may have their first child, or the younger brother or the sister of the person may involve in recreational activities like going to cinema, theater, movie hall, art galleries, and these type of things. Also, something regarding intelligence of the younger brothers and sisters may happen, and in case the connection is with good houses, we will find that the younger brother or sister of the person will display a good intelligence during this period. Sun also represents the father of the person, and father is also represented by the ninth house. So during this period we will find that the person's father will have profits, gains, wish fulfillment, generally good things and good period will happen to him. And during this period, the father of the person may also get into welfare activities like joining an NGO, NPO, or opening one such organization. And in this period, the friend circle and acquaintances circle of the person's father will increase to quite a bit. Overall, please remember that with any planet in any of the houses, the results can be good or bad. So we must analyze the horoscope properly and very carefully to find out these results. Overall, in case Sun is in good dignity in the 7th house, there will be good results regarding business, regarding marriage, wife-husband partnership, and these type of issues. However, in case Sun is under any malefic influence, like a malefic planet like Rahu, Ketu, Saturn, etc., aspecting Sun or conjoined with Sun, in that case, what we will find is that the Sun may begin to give malefic results and the person may get a tendency to become excessively angry during this period. And so one must be careful about that. The second indication will be the person may begin to eat a lot of salt. The third indication is that the person may become selfish and the person will like very much when other people praise him. So one should be careful about these indications for bad results, and the results will generally be seen on human beings like the father's sister, the male child of the person himself, his marital life, his wife, and the results can also indicate a tendency to develop a skin disease because of the malefic influence. Looking at the other planets now, as you are aware, Mercury and Venus are two planets which tend to remain quite close to Sun, and generally we will find that in almost 40 to 50% of the horoscopes, Mercury is together with Sun in the same house. So we have to see this condition in case Mercury is conjoined with Sun, especially to less than 4 or 5 degrees. Then we will find that the results of Mercury of the 4th house and the 1st house will also join up in this, and the person may get into a business regarding property, or he may become a property dealer or a builder themselves. In case this Dasha Antardasha is connected to Mars, in that case the person will acquire a lot of property during this period, and the person may acquire this property by taking a loan. Looking at the results when Sun is in different nakshatras while it is placed in this house. The first nakshatra is from 0 degrees to 13 degrees 20 minutes in the sign of Sagittarius. This nakshatra belongs to Ketu. So the placement of Ketu must be checked carefully, because this placement will decide what kind of results, good or bad, will come in the horoscope. The second nakshatra in the same sign of Sagittarius is from 13 degrees 20 minutes to 26 degrees 40 minutes, and the second nakshatra belongs to Venus, and in case Sun is in these degrees, then the results of Venus will come. That is, Venus is the lord of the 5th house and the 12th house. So the results of the 5th house will be that the person may fall into a love affair, may gain his first child, the person may develop a lot of intelligence, may want to do recreational activities, and since Venus also signifies artistic things, the person may get very interested or do a business regarding some kind of art and craft, art galleries, cinema, theater, music hall, getting into music and these type of things. And the third nakshatra, which is from 26 degrees 40 minutes in this sign till the end of the sign, that is till about 30 minutes in the same sign, belongs to Sun itself. So when Sun is in its own nakshatra, the results of Sun will come, as we have discussed in the earlier part of this video. Overall, when we look at the position of the Sun, Sun is in a good house and it is a Kendra house, and therefore the results of Sun will be quite alright. Also, Sun is the lord of the third house. Both these houses are considered not to be negative. Mostly 8th and 12th house are considered bad, and so the remedies of Sun may not be required in this case. However, we still want to get the best results out of Sun when Sun is in this position. So, in order to get best results of Sun when Sun is placed in the 7th house of Gemini ascendant, on Sundays, pray to Lord Sun, read Gayatri Mantra and offer water to Sun. The next remedy is that if you are a shopkeeper, behave very gently with your customers. But if you are in job, then you should be very strict with your subordinates. And the third remedy is that whenever you wish to begin any new task, any new venture, before starting, eat some sugar. In case you have a problem of diabetes or something, in that case avoid sugar and just have some water before you begin any new work. Taking these small precautions will help you get the best results from Sun in your horoscope. I hope you would have understood the basics of Sun in the 7th house in Gemini ascendant. See you in the next video. Thank you.